How to clear search suggestions on Shopee. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to clear search suggestions on Shopee. First, you need to open chatbot.shopee.ph in your web browser. Here, you need to type, "Can I delete my search history and suggestions?" Then, click on the send button. As you can see, the chatbot gives us a quick answer stating that the option to delete your order history is not available at the moment, according to Shopee rules and regulations. To show you, I will type delete my search suggestions. So as you can see, the option to delete your order history is not available right now. So this way, you can check and try to delete your Shopee search history. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.